Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook with Shree.
Today we are going to make Pathrode, also known as Colocasia Rolls. For the recipe we need tamarind 2 teaspoon, sesame seeds 1 teaspoon, dry red chillies 15, oil 5 to 6 teaspoon, salt as per taste, hing powder 1 teaspoon, soaked rice, grated coconut 2 cups, 20 to 25 colocasia leaves. Let's begin the recipe. Take a mixie jar, add grated coconut, hing powder, tamarind, salt as per taste. Then add dried red chillies, little water and grind to a fine paste. After that add soaked rice and grind coarsely. Take colocasia leaves one by one and keep applying the prepared masala. Make rolls of the same as shown in the video. Steam the colocasia rolls for 15 to 20 minutes. After steaming, cut the rolls into small pieces. Heat up a pan, add 3 teaspoon coconut oil, then fry colocasia rolls on both sides. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Now Pathrode is ready to eat. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share it with your friends and family.